to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and today I'm creating this springy eye look today using the Anastasia and Carli Bybel palette today. This is the inside. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. A lot of people did not really like this palette, but I actually really did. It's a color story that we don't normally see. It was really different. It didn't really have enough time to get the hype it really deserved because of all the other palettes that were coming out at the time. But I think it is a really soft, a really soft color story that is just, it has warm tones and cool tones in it. I think this is like the perfect winter into spring palette. So yeah, I don't really know why a lot of people didn't like this, and I think this is so pretty. A lot of people didn't really like this packaging, but I thought it was really pretty. Anyways, enough talking. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Alright guys, so this eye is already done as usual, and this eye is primed and ready to go. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Carli Bybel palette today. Such a beautiful palette. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I do. I'm first going to go into this shade right here called Cindy, and I'm using this fluffy brush here. It's just a gorgeous peachy color. This is going all in the crease, and I'm gonna put down it's really pigmented, but I'm gonna put down a lot because I want this color to be really bright and stand out. So I'm just going to really layer it on. And I'm going to add some in the outer corner of my eye, or kind of the outer half. Alright, perfect. And now, with this little tiny blending brush, I'm going to go into this shade right here called Stev, which is just kind of like a berry red. And this is, I'm just taking a tiny bit to go in the very outer corner, just to darken it just a tad, give it a little bit of definition. But we are not going to go any darker than this, just because I'm looking for a really bright eye today. Sort of soft and bright and just really springy. And so now I'm going to take the shade Mandala on my finger, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. This is my favorite shade in the whole palette, and one of my favorite shades in my whole collection. I absolutely love purples like this. I think they're just absolutely gorgeous. And you can layer this on as much as you want. Now I'm going to take just a tiny bit of this Aura shade right here. Just a tiny bit on my finger, putting in between the purple and the red and peach shades. It probably doesn't really make that much of a difference, but oh well. And now on the brush that comes in the palette, I'm going to take this shade right here called Boli, I'm not too sure. But I'm taking this little brush here, and this is going to go in the inner corner. And now going back with the first brush and first color we used, I'm just going to add it to my lower lash line. And then taking the second brush and second color, Stev, just a little tiny bit, not taking it out as far. And now now I'm going to take the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Crybaby. It is like the lilac color, and this is going to go on the lower waterline. Now, I'm going to add some mascara. I'm just taking the Tarte Gifted Mascara. It's like this. I'm just going to use this to coat my lashes, and after this, we're going to add on some false lashes. Now for false lashes, I think I'm going to go with the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in the style Instaglam. One of my favorite style of lashes. So let me get these on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just added on those lashes and put on some mascara on my bottom lashes. And that is it. I just did the eye look today. I hope you enjoy watching this spring tutorial, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!